The Rhinox Tiltrotate stand is here to prevent damage and to keep dirt out of your hitch. If you run Tiltrotator hitches on your machines, you will already know that keeping it clean and protected is essential. And this is where the Rhinox Tiltrotate stand comes into its own. So what is a Tiltrotator stand and how does it work? Put simply, it's a stable, secure platform that you can mount the bottom half of the hitch on when it is not in use. So rather than just leaving the hitch or the bottom half of the hitch on the floor or in the bucket containment area, you can actually mount it on the stand and it prevents it from getting damaged or falling over or even getting dirt and grit in the moving parts. The stand will also help to hold the bottom half of the hitch upright, and that has two benefits. It'll save it from falling over and damaging any of the pipes or the rams, and more importantly, it makes it really simple and easy when you come to reconnect the hitch back to the main part on the machine. One of the key advantages in using the Tiltrotator stand is that when you're using attachments such as breakers or augers or ripper teeth and stuff like that, or when you're digging drainage trenches, you often can't get the bottom half of the hitch into the trench, or it's not safe to use it. So by using the stand, it means that your bottom half of the hitch is somewhere secure and safe, but more importantly, it's easy to connect up again and quick. Saves time, saves money, saves any damage. It's definitely a must for anyone that's operating a Tiltrotate hitch. One of the key features about the Rhinox Tiltrotate stand is that we have included fork pockets so that it can be easily moved around. Should you have to move it and the machine's not available, then you can pick it up with either pallet forks on another excavator or use a telehandler. What this means is that it can safely be moved without getting damaged. The Rhinox Tiltrotate stand is a nice solid construction. It's very small, minimalistic, but it's built to withstand the heavy wear it will get on a building site. The other thing is it's nice and compact, so it's not far off the size of like a Euro pallet, so it's nice and easy to move around and it won't take up too much space in your bucket containment area. Another point I want to mention, consistent with what we do for customers on buckets and attachments, is that we can color code the stands to either your company color code or whether you need to have it standing out for health and safety reasons, and we can also add in your fleet ID, making it personalized to your company. So we're here to cover all bases. One key point I'd just love to share with you is that maybe you've looked at this stand and you thought, no, I don't really need it. I'll get on right as it is, which is fine, and that's brilliant. But as you may find out, or may have already found out, damaging a Tiltrotate hitch is quite expensive when it comes to repairing it. So these stands are essential to making sure that your hitch is well maintained and protected on site, particularly when the bottom half is not in use. The stand simply stops the rams from getting bent and pipes getting damaged, but more importantly stops any grit and dirt getting into the moving parts, which can end up fouling it up, and then downtime is a waste of money and expensive if you have to start repairing seals and repairing rams, etc. I would suggest that if you don't feel it's for you, maybe have another look at it. Give one of our technical sales guys a call, because we'd love to show you how much benefit it can add to your actions and processes on site. If you want to know more about our Tiltrotate buckets and attachments, then check out this playlist here. And don't forget to subscribe. I say it every time and I mean it, don't forget to subscribe, because you don't want to miss out.